Welcome to MG.Auto, your ultimate destination for detailed automotive reviews, technology insights, and everything happening in the world of cars. In this video, we explore the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G-Class G63, a vehicle that effortlessly combines off-road strength, high-performance engineering, and luxury refinement. The G63 has always stood out as an icon among SUVs, and the 2025 model takes that legacy to a new level with modern updates and advanced features. At the heart of the 2025 G63 lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering approximately 585 horsepower and an impressive 850 Nm of torque. This powerful unit is paired with a 9-speed AMG speed shift automatic transmission, allowing the SUV to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds. Despite its boxy frame and rugged presence, the G63 offers a smooth and engaging driving experience both on and off the road. The AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures power is distributed effectively for maximum traction in any terrain, whether you are navigating mountain paths or cruising through the city. The exterior design stays true to its heritage, retaining the iconic G-Wagon silhouette while introducing subtle refinements that elevate its appearance. Modern LED headlamps, a more aggressive front grille, aerodynamic touches, and new wheel designs give the G63 a bold and updated look. The tough and timeless exterior is matched by an equally impressive interior that showcases Mercedes-Benz dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. Inside the cabin, the G63 offers a luxurious yet performance-oriented environment. Premium Nappa leather seats, carbon fiber and metal trim accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that is both sophisticated and sporty.